First, this is regarding the subpoena issued by the DOJ to the FEO. May I now read the statement of the Chief of the Philippine National Police, Police General Jose Melencio Sr. Tatis Jr. regarding this. The Philippine National Police acknowledges the statement of Justice Secretary Frederick Vida on the issuance of subpoena to the PNP, particularly to the Firearms and Explosives Office in relation to the firearms involved in the May 13 to 14 gun-related incident. The subpoena covers the production of inventory of firearms registered under Senate ownership, as well as records related to the ownership of a firearm seen in the video, including relevant information and data in relation to the matter. The PNP respects the ongoing investigation of the Department of Justice and assures its full cooperation with all lawful processes, including the submission of documents and other relevant records as may be required. The organization remains committed to transparency, accountability, and due process, and continues to coordinate with concerned agencies as the matter is being properly addressed. The PNP will abide by the findings of the appropriate investigative bodies in accordance with established procedures.